Step down and drive it.
All right, Nick. One swing.
You're right. That's it. Now you know what to do. Please, Bear.
All right, you got two, Joe. Check that plate.
Good eye.
All right, Joe.
One and two.
Get ready, Brady. Brady, let's get ready. Come on.
Open plate, Joe.
Brady, be set, kid.
Jake, get ready. Brady, over low.
Check that plate, Joe.
All right, Joe. All right. Come on, Joe.
Be set, infield. Yeah, that's something you guys got. Everybody gather around real quick. Especially the first three batters. His motion is right. Here we go.
All right, please say.
Got full. We
Just
got
get it over. Just get it over.
All right, Joe, he's got to
Ready,
bring it to you
infield.
now. Be ready.
Over, Joe.
Let's go.
Get there, you drive. Hey, be ready now. He's a hitter here. Come on.
Take a chance.
Good eye, Joe. Nice job. Hey, remember, infield.
Give him a step, Jake.
Great, get ready. Come on now.
You work.
You work. Over a little bit. You're fine. Jake. Watching, Trey. Go! Go!
Watch your stress, guys.
All right, keep your heads up, guys. You all right?
All right, Hurricanes, here we go.
Come on! Go hard, Tyler! Go hard! Hey! Get down there. Oh! That way, Brady.
Hard, go hard, go
Hard! Alex! Nice job.
Keep it in play. Come on, Cody.
Come on, Joe. Ready. Hey, you all right? Hey, good play, Trey. You all right?
Go, run hard, slide.
Nice job, Grant. Stay down.
Oh, come on, Brady.
You're up.
You're up.
Nothing. Watch where you're swinging the bat, okay?
Come on, more, man.
No pitch! No pitch!
Play,
Joe, do
Brady.
it again.
No, it's just...
Lead, Andy. Get the secondary lead.
You're up. Good pitch, Jeff.
Andy.
Live ball.
Get it. Contact.
Let's hear it in here, guys.
Field.
Nobody get a lead, Andy. Nobody guarding you. Get a lead, get a lead.
Get off.
Get off, Andy. Come down, come on.
Do it.
Get a lead. Go,
Go hard, Grant. Go hard. Get ready. Nice pitch, Nick.
Jake.
All right, Nick, just hit the glove.
Good eye, Jake.
Throw strikes, Nick. Come on. Just need strikes.
That's it. Nice pitch.
That's good, Nick. That's what we need. Just strikes.
Go,
eye.
Bro! Joey, you or Michael figured out.
First, Joe.
Nice.
Good pitch, Nick.
Nice. Going. No play.
Easy.
Look good to me, Nick. Good job, buddy. Keep him right there.
All right, Nick, don't lose him. Squeeze this one, Alex.
Go, run it out, run it out. Come on, Justin.
Get it home! 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 Put it on him.
Yeah, he's under. Nice job.
Good play, guys. Good job, Joe. Nice play, Alex.
Hey, left. Justin. Left hand.
Take your time, Nick.
Nothing up there, Joe.
Finish.
Up there.
No, that's not what I mean.
Now. Nice pitch. Get dirty, dirty.
Nothing. Get off.
There you go. First base. Oh, hustle. Dig. Yeah. Throw. Tag. Good eye. Hey.
Alex, Tyler, Jay. Right out front, Tyler. Come on, Brady. Get off, Brady.
Good eye. Good eye.
Brady, get off, Brady. Get off.
Target
Get
up,
off.
Alex. Target up.
Get off.
Be aggressive.
Get off.
Throw the ball.
Right there. Right there.
Three.
There you go.
Good eye.
Infield.
Get off, Brady. Get off. Get off, Brady. Get off.
Andy and Michael, be ready. Knock it down.
Get off.
Nice job.
Throw a strike, Nick, right down the middle.
Now, one more strike. Way too much.
Step on third.
CJ, over that way.
No place to put him, Nick. Throw strikes. Make him hit it.
Get off, Brady.
Break the glove, Nick. Good eye, Tyler. Make sure he comes.
Second one, you gotta change him.
Look at out. There you go. That's a good fit. Hey,
Squeeze this one out.
Get off, Brady.
Come on, Joe, get it.
first base. You okay?
Good play, Joe. Nice job.
Go hard, Dan. Go hard. Run. Don't look. Nice play. Hard cut. Go hard. Go hard, Justin. Go hard. Don't look. Nice.
Be live out there, Al.
Joe, don't worry about that.
There you go.
Show him what you got. Cody, he's coming to you. Watch him. Go. Come on, get the wheel out of here. Go, run. Nice. Come on. Go, run hard! Hard! Way to call it, Alex.
Cheat in, or Danny, come on.
Down on your, get down and ready.
Shake! 3. Nice pitch, Nick.
Come on, Cody Berger.
That's all right. Kick.
Come on, Joe, eat him up. Good job, Grant.
Nice job.
Nice work, buddy.
Nice pitch, Nick. That's it. Nice pitch. To the glove now. Nice job.
Good inning, Nick. Good job. Good eye, Tyler. Be thinking up there, Tyler. It's like we talked about. Good eye. We talk about, Tyler. Good job. Hustle down. That's what we need as base runners, guys.
Great, mate. Ray, you heard him in Kelley. Here we go. Don't watch.
Call time.
All right.
Good eye, Grant.
Come on, Grant. Big hit now. Hit means a run. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye. Hustle down. That's the way big innings get started, guys. Good observation, Nick. We may use that. Good job, guys. Come on, Andy Mayo. Big hit now. Good eye. What you doing?
Ready, guys, we're all right.
That's
Go
it.
hard, Andy, go hard.
Good, 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 good,
Come
good.
on, Tyler, come through.
Good job, guys. Good job. Nice job, guys. Good patience at the plate.
Maybe you heard him in Kelley.
Nice job, Andy May. Huh?
Barrels in here like this one.
Give me the one you think he needs.
Yeah, we're not gonna.
Good job, Andy.
Three.
Okay, that's it. Be patient, Alex.
Follow through.
That inside pitch. There you go. Dad, what are you doing? Get back, Andy! Get Andy! Good pitch, Nick. Good job, Becker.
First.
Hey, Nate. Go big players, man.
I'm not saying who else is, but
Yeah. Ooh.
Get the glove, Nick.
That's it.
Squeeze this one, CJ.
Still not turned it, Dave?
Yeah, I saw this play, but he walked last time. There was nowhere to go.
Get it in!
Get in! Don't look at it. Ready?
Just like last time, kid.
Grant! Grant!
Easy. Keep going. Good eye, Grant.
Secondary lead off there. To the right side last time.
Get off, Jake. Get off.
Come
There
on!
you go, Jake. Jake, that's it. Get off, Jake.
Get off, Jake.
Go.
Come on, Nick. You got to make a try. Get it home! Cut it! Cut it in two! Two!
Get the ball here.
We got a hold on.
Where's... Nice throw, Andy May! Good tag, Tyler. Or CJ. Sorry.
Let's go, Joe. We need another one.
All right, Becker, just throw the heat now. Come on. Right to the glove.
Raise it first. Hit him in the chest.
That's it. Good pitch.
Oh, that's it.
He hit again, Dave.
Two strikes on you. Not for your head.
And so too.
First. Come on, Joe. Be a hitter here.
Squeeze this one.
And I'm thinking Joe.
Go.
I'm thinking you're right.
Nice good throw. Nice job.
Good play, Nick. Good job out there, Grant.
Go, Brady.
Nice pitch,
Brady,
Nick.
now,
Nice pitch.
Great. Way out in front.
Same way now.
Way out in front.
Get up in the box. You're back too far. Step back, Andy May.
Keep your head down and drive the ball.
Come on, get it, Tyler. Jeez, you let the ball play you, and then you...
Go.
Come on. 2 outs. Make a play.
Hold it.
Easy.
Back up the play to third.
Come on! Nice job.
Nice pitch, Becker. Start us off, Joe. Good eye.
There you go. Be ready, Brady. It's your man here.
Good eye. Hustle down.
Good at bat, Joe.
Joe.
Way to work it, Joe.
Kurt's quiet and CJ.
Make it be a strike.
Back. Swing hard and through, Dan.
Trey.
Another ball.
Make sure you straddle the bag.
All right, Danny. If it's there, hit it hard. If it's bad, let it go.
Down. Hold him on!
All right, Danny. Come on now.
Hold it on him. Hold that tag on him.
If you see him holding on like that, who'd cover first? Contact means a run. Joey, nobody out. If it's back to the pitcher, wait till he throws it to first. Good eye.
1 and 2.
Nice hit, Dan.
Come on, Joe. Good hustle, Danny Kurtz. Good job, Joey.
Good job, Daddy.
We need, Dan. Good hustle.
Joey, did you score?
Bag. Go center the bag on him.
Justin, where what? Be thinking.
He just missed, Joe. That's
Good
Good
eye.
eye, Justin.
That's it, Justin. Good hit. Good rip.
Come on, they gave us
Justin, nice hit.
Really good hit. You got to run harder from the beginning.
You did all right. Nice contact.
Good eye, Siege.
Don't aim it.
How comfortable are you throwing to the bases like if somebody's on first?
Now let's go.
It does fine, I think.
Make sure the first baseman knows it's coming.
Ball four inside.
Who's first base?
Be a hitter now.
Come on, Joe.
Go ball!
Come on, like you mean it. Pull that bat back and hit it hard. Good eye.
Yeah, you gotta tell us. Well, they might, just like we did.
Stay in there, guys.
All right, Joe.
Play.
Don't worry about the back.
Throw strikes.
Go ball! Nice pitch.
Come on, Al. Be a hitter here.
No garbage.
Nice job.
Nice pitch, Joe Dillon. Hard. Come on, Joey, get it.
Tyler, be coming in if you see him square up. Andy, same way.
Hey, Trey, come on. All right, make a play.
All right, play ball.
Back. Down the bag. All time. Raise your hand up. Walk yourself. Go, 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 go. Easy.
Bat down.
A hard target. Let's go.
Get off.
Go ball!
Trey. Hitter here.
Get off, Tyler. Get off.
Come on.
First base.
Hold it. Home. Hi.
Close to the bag on a fly ball.
Watch him, throw it. Home.
Six.
Go, go, go.
That's you, Joe. Oh, you, Joe.
First base.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Come on in, guys.
Good play, guys. That's three. Come on in.
Three.
Come on in, Heat. Good job. Nice play, Joe.
Nothing high, Nick. Drive the ball.
And bench shots, too.
Yeah, we got all year. Jay, come on.
Yes, we don't have to do it every year.
Nick, step out.
There you go, Nick. Good job.
Better hustle.
What is it, 64? Come on, Tyler.
Good job, Nick.
Excuse me? Oh, that's right. Yeah, somebody's got to be on the bucket. Absolutely.
Good job, Becker. Good stop, Brady.
That's a good eye.
3-0.
Good eye. Nothing up there.
3-0, Tyler. Be smart.
Good cut. That's all right. It was right there.
Yep.
Make it be a sweet one, Kyler. You still got a free one. That's it. Good cut. Good cut.
3-2, Joe.
Go hard. Go hard. Get back. We got the first out.
One out, guys.
One out, Greg.
That's all right. Don't worry about it. You'll get there. It's first game. Excuse me, big boy. Go ball.
That one you can hit. Nice shot.
Stay two.
Nice shot, Grant Grady. Good job, Becker.
All right, Andy, we'll see you down here, buddy.
Let's go. Back, okay. Better get there quicker. Close for being 1 foot off the base.
Maybe you can be our band.
Good job. Call time.
Swing and step in the same direction, okay?
Good throw.
Out.
Tag up.
Gotta play.
Not if it's out of play.
It's a ground ball.
Get the knees, kid. Come on, let's get it.
Tyler, someone in.
That's all right, Andy.
Good pitch.
Mike.
Strike one.
Mike, either step out or swing. You cannot do both. Okay? One or the other.
Good job, Joe. Good job, Joe. Be there, Brady. Jake, be right.
1, 2.
Here you go now. Check the plate.
Just meet it, Mike. It'll go.
Good eye, Mike. Good eye.
Good cut, Mike. That's all right.
Here we go, Joe. Strikes now.
Don't chase nothing.
All right, Joe.
Hey, don't chase nothing, kid. Come on.
Keep hitting the glove, Joe. Keep hitting the glove.
Get started here.
Do it next.
Nate. Come on, Nate. At least I will.
All right, Joe Dillon.
Come on, Nate.
Nothing but strikes. Come on, get it. Good play.
Nice job, Dan.
Nice job, Danny Kurtz. That's all-star material.
This is the bottom.
Good eye, good eye.
Come on, that's you.
Nice job.
Good job. Good job, guys. Nice job, Grant.
Time.
Good eye.
Fine.
Good eye.
Nice, Jake.
Hey, Jake.
Red light.
Two outs, plays it first.
Joe.
Nice job.
Good job, Danny Kurtz. Good job, Joe. Danny, heck of an inning out there. Way to go.
Big spot out there. See it too.
Good eye. Probably.
Come to him, Joe.
Go hard, go hard. Is it?
He was moving. Good eye, Joe.
Hey, Joe, you're on.
Now, settle down here.
There you see?
You all right? Do what you.
Wadman,
Get off, Joe.
Dylan Becker. A little more than that there, Joe Bo. Good eye, Dan.
Nice slide, Jay.
The whole right side, Dan. Just meet the ball.
Back.
You got 2 and 1.
Come on, Danny.
Come on, Dan. See down here, bud.
All right, Dan, come on now.
That's off the player. I'm lonely down there. Come on.
There you go, Joe.
Take all the pitches because that was good.
Good eye. That's it, Joe. Good job.
That's what I'm saying. When you're out there, you're ready.
Play, Bear. Just ready.
Be ready, Tyler. Johnny Brown, be ready. Cody.
Good pitch.
Way to be, Joe. If they're worried about you, they're not worried about Justin. That's it. Come hard. That's it, Joe. You're in. Good job. Good job, Justin.
Good job, Justin.
Good rip. Nice job, Joey. 2 outs. 2 outs, Joe.
Run hard, take it down.
What are you thinking? Left side.
Make a play.
Come on, Brady.
Do it.
Come on, Brady. Get out there. Not too Brady.
Still there in front.
Brady, stick back and hit a ball.
Left.
Straight forward, Brady.
Hey, Brady.
One and
Come on, get it!
second. Tag him.
Get the sure out.
Danny.
Play.
Danny.
You're throwing out.
Okay, Joe, you and the batter. You
Up on your
and the
toes.
catcher.
Catch first.
Back.
Down the bag. No garbage, Colin Bear. Close to the bag on the fly ball, Brady. Brady.
No play.
Brady.
Do it.
Hey, Colin, now.
Comes to you.
You in the mid, Joe. You in the mid.
Force it third, Justin. Where'd he hit, Dave?
Do it.
All right, Joe.
Do it.
Alex.
Down and catch.
Let's go.
All right, just
Block. No play.
Got 1 and 2.
Same way. Down and catch.
Fly ball.
come on, Joe. 1 and 2.
It's over. Let's go. Let's go. Batter's out.
Batter's out, batter's out.
Hold the ball, hold the ball. Hold the ball.
Run the ball. Run it out.
Just hold it. That's all right.
Hold it now, hold it now.
Any base, guys.
Nice job, Andy.
Bring it in.
1 and 3.
That's you.
Hustle it out. Hustle it out.
Nice job, guys. Line them up. Good job, Heat. Good job, Hurricanes.